Take a ride in the 2016 ATS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.